We deal a lot with our territory manager. They see across the spectrum, right? Where my locality, we may deal with a certain type of soil or we may deal with a certain type of material. They have experience all over. So sometimes we lean on our territory managers for just general knowledge so that we can expand, whatever we're trying to create or maybe make it better.
So a good territory manager is made up of someone who knows what they're talking about, who is available, who will take your calls after 5 o'clock, who will bring samples to DC when they're in Fredericksburg. Having someone that is there, available, knowledgeable, that is the true key to a successful rep.
9 times out of 10, they know more about the product you're installing than you do, and they can save you a lot of time and money by just telling you the best way to do it instead of learning through your mistakes. Definitely a key part of doing what we do out here.
It really works out great for us because they usually answer us within a couple hours, if not the next day. It works out when they're on site because they're able to show us how to properly use the corners for Ucara or properly use the spacers that go into a non-permeable paver to make it permeable, so that way our employees can install it in an efficient manner. That way we're not wasting material, just in case we're real close to being short. That way it's all installed properly and to the industry standard.
So on this project we had this Ucara wall, and we'd never used it in a curved way before, so we really had to rely on our territory manager to help us figure out how to do that.
The industry's constantly evolving and constantly changing, and products are being designed to make it easier for the contractor, but they come with the challenges of learning how to use them. So I think leaning on our territory managers and coming in and showing us how to use that product is really instrumental for the customer getting a good end result.